As we go through the menopause, we do have a tendency to move towards weight gain, and it's not just hormonal changes, it's also related to age too. Because of how your metabolism changes as a result of the changing hormones of the menopause, if you take HRT, I think the best way to think about it is it can help support weight loss measures. Taking it won't make you lose weight, but it can help support those changes that you do make as you transition through the menopause. You can drink alcohol when you're taking HRT. It's really interesting. Many women tell me that they don't tolerate alcohol in the same way as they transition through the menopause. And alcohol is awful in terms of making many menopause symptoms worse. So I'm thinking mainly of sleep, anxiety, low mood, hot flushes. But there's no real medical reason why you can't drink it alongside HRT. HRT is the most effective way of managing menopause symptoms for most women. There is a small percentage of women, however, for whom HRT sadly doesn't have the desired effect. It doesn't work in the way that they want it to. But I would say that is a minority of women. If HRT hasn't had the desired effect for you, then I think you should be reassured that there are many other ways of managing menopause symptoms, of managing that transition, whether it's lifestyle changes, talking therapies, or looking at alternative therapies. There are alternative ways to HRT that should be helpful.